ويصلي ويسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والقرآن إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب صدق الله العظيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد النبي الأمي وعلى آله وبارك وسلم. Respected teacher and officials of Eureka and dear classmates, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our today's topic is New Year. After arriving the Corona, most of the people wanted in February to go and enter in 2021. Because in this year we face some new confusing things. The first is coronavirus. After this long lockdown, long vacation, lack of business and virtual classes, and this year ended in making and launching of corona vaccine. Basically, this year will be remembered as a worst year and bad year. But in all these things, we must see our positive side. The first positive thing is that we are still alive, alhamdulillah. Say, brother and sister, alhamdulillah. We are still alive, alhamdulillah. There are so many people who make the most of this opportunity, who studied a lot in a vacation, in a lockdown. In a Ramadan lockdown, it was a long time for ibadah. And there is another positive thing. I am so happy with this. It's my elder brother's wedding. So brother and sister, guess who will win? Inshallah I will. So brother and sister say Inshallah. So we lost our 1 year. Do you know, brother and sister, the running of time is a tragedy because it kills our time. Our chance of life is getting near to the end and we don't care about it. Even we don't think about it because we design our routine on a path in which we are killing our time so happily. Before the old age, everyone celebrates his birthday. Everyone makes this day so happily and so memorable. When they get old, so they say, my life had gone. I lost my golden age. So, inshallah, we will celebrate this new year. We will make happiness and hopes for the new year. We will set a goal to achieve our ambition. But before this thing, we must see our past year. If we did good, so we say Alhamdulillah. If we did something wrong, if we did mistake, so we must commit to ourselves and say to ourselves, we won't repeat this again. I believe it's a necessary for everyone. It's a necessary for everyone to see himself and review himself. How much is he getting from his life benefit? Where is he spending his time? Most of the people came and asked the question about the celebration of New Year and the birthday in opinion of Islam. I replied them, Islam prohibits some basic thing. Except these things, you can do whatever you want in a limit. Islam limitizes the things. Islam limitizes the thing and limitizes the way of doing something. If you want to celebrate your birthday, so go and give the celebration money to the poor people. That we make them happy and they will make dua for us. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Inna asra du'a ijabatan da'watu ghaibin li ghaib. The most fastest dua is that when the person make dua for another brother. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in another hadith, Wallahu fi awni al-abdi ma kana al-abdu fi awni akhi. When someone helps other, Allah helps him. So when we give the money of our celebration to the poor people, they will make dua for us. If we want to celebrate our new year, so what is the way of Islam? Islam said to us, we offer the prayer for our family, for our parents, for our teacher, for our country. And we make dua for our country and say, may Allah save our parents from every evil. May Allah save our country from bad situation. So it's a way in Islam to celebrate something. In a hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Inna Allah jamilun. Inna Allah jamilun yuhibbul jamal. Allah is a beautiful and Allah wants to see beauty in a people. How we show a beauty? In our performing everything. If we want to celebrate something, so we go and perform in a good way. If we want to celebrate our weddings, if we want to celebrate our birthday, so not celebrate like if we do something, so we will do this thing in a good way. So it's from Hadith, it's from Quran. So in the end, I want you to share one Hadith. In the Quran, Allah Ta'ala swears the time, swears the morning and evening. Inform the mankind, inform the people the importance of time, because the time is most precious thing. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ihtanim khamsan qabla khamsin." Take advantage of 5 before 5. Shababaka qabla harami. Your youth age before your old age. وصحتك قبل سقمك. Your health before your illness. وفراغك قبل شغلك. وفراغك قبل شغلك. Your free time before your work. وغناك قبل فقرك. Your riches before your poverty. وحياتك قبل موتك. And your life before you are dead. So brother and sister, our life, our riches, our youth, our free time is ni'mah. It's ni'matun azima. It's a big ni'mah from Allah Ta'ala. So we make the most of these opportunities. In the end, I want to make dua. May Allah remove the corona from all over the world, and our new year begins with blessing and full of smiles and twinkling and ambition. Assalamu alaikum.
All is set up, please. Sound again. Very good. Very nice. Good confidence. Good improvement. Thank you very much. Excellent.